What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So I have not uploaded for a long time. And yes, I wasn't able to accomplish my journey. I think today marks the 6th month of my journey, and I lost track during I think mid-October. So there was some things that happened which led me to this. So I wasn't able to really work out and continue my diet. But on the contrary, I fell in love again with biking. So if you can remember the last video I made, which was trailing with my nephew, it again sparked interest in biking. So I upgraded my bike since then, and I have been biking regularly. Though I wasn't able to watch my diet and continue with working out, I regularly go biking with my friends or even alone. So here are my records of my bike routes. So this is my bike now. This is I think it's a 2010 Kona Coil Air. I will be showing you a montage of what I have done to my bike. I'll also explain what I have done and what I have upgraded with my bike. Here is my bike. So I upgraded from a 3x to a 1x. I used to run a Shimano Acera. Then I also used to run a 9-speed, then upgraded to a 12-speed. I upgraded my fork from a single crown to a dual crown fork because my old fork was already it got destroyed. Then upgraded my tires, my hubs, my pedals to a proper flat pedals. I also upgraded my stem, my handlebar, and also my brakes. So I used to run a mechanical brake Shimano Acera as well. Then I upgraded to a Shimano Deore hydraulic brakes. Upgraded my brake rotors and my seat post, my seat as well. I added a speedometer and also upgraded my grips. So this is my Rock Bros grip. I think that's it. If you want a more detailed review, just tell me, hit me down in the comments, and I'll make a video of how much everything cost of upgrading this bike and of what parts I used in upgrading the bike. So till then, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll see you next time.